If you find yourself with a camera in your hand and want to learn how to use it, please subscribe to this channel, like the videos, comment below.
Hi Photos family. Today in our discussion of frameworks we're talking about it gives me a platform to tell my tale, and at the very end it gives me the opportunity to, within the business realm of things, to set an offer for selling things. If you don't create the draw of getting people into your store, if you don't tell them the purpose and how these things can help them live a better life, and give them an offer of you can buy this for such and such a price, very few people are actually going to give you the business that you seek. And that's what we're trying to do with this photograph framework thought process, is creating a draw, getting that traffic, to get them involved and intrigued, which is finding those people that like your work long enough and like it enough to stick around for the tail. And then out of those people that have been pulled in with the hook, that have listened to the tail, perhaps a small portion of them are actually going to be the ones that say, tell me how much that is, I want that. That's the important part of telling these stories. If you're selling your photographs, or if you're not. If you're not selling your photographs, then the pull, the tail, and the purpose are for you. If you are selling your photographs, maybe not to other people, but you are selling your photographs to other clients, so they will be coming for portrait sessions, or you see that purpose there. For portrait sessions, you're creating that pull, that tail, and that purpose, or gimme there at the end, is for the other clients that will be seeing those photographs and going, I've got to get that photographer to do my family portraits or my portrait. If you're like me and you're creating these images that have a pull, that have a tail, and they have a give me, because it's a stock image, maybe it's that draw of, that picture reminds me of my vacation, and that pull, that tail, and that give me are all so very much reminding me of my vacation. That's why I want that photograph to look at, so that I can give myself motivation for the next vacation. There's so many places and methods and applications of what we're talking about with frames that will help every area, industry of photography. Thank you so much for watching. If this content has been of value to you, we would love a thumbs up. And if anything has come to mind, anything that you've learned, anything you want to add, any comments you'd like to share, we'd love to hear those in the comments down below. If you're not yet a subscriber, we would love to have your subscription. Thank you so much. We look forward to having you in our Photos family. God bless.